Well, warmer than average weather. That trend continues. Yesterday, we managed to climb into the 70s. Both Thursday and Friday, we will also see 70-degree temperatures, all thanks to this big ridge of high pressure that's sticking around the next couple of days. Now, as we head into Friday, we're going to tighten our pressure gradient between the storm system that's bringing us the weekend changes and the warmth. That'll help increase our wind speed, all ahead of those changes that come into the weekend. We're talking mountain snow and lower elevation rain with a rain-snow mix possible as we head into the day Saturday. And as of now, it looks like it'll clear up for us on Sunday, but definitely some changes all ahead in the forecast. As we look at color on our map, we have a lot of color, and it kind of is a variation. We do have high winds that are expected into the western portion of the state, but we also have winter storm watches that are in place as well. And then you head over to the east, and we have high fire danger possible as red flag warnings and fire weather watches go into effect on Friday. So a little bit of everything. Let's break down the fire danger first. While today will be warm, not going to be quite as warm as it will be tomorrow or as windy, but high temperatures for Thursday expected to get into the mid to upper 70s. This is still well above average, some 15 to 25 degrees warmer than average across the state as we head for widespread 60s, 70s, maybe even a few low 80s out the door. Today will be a touch on the breezy side, winds gusting around 15 to maybe 20 miles an hour at times, but heading into Friday, wind speeds really increase. This is when we're going to start to see the color get a lot brighter, and this is when our fire danger picks up across the state, as we'll see widespread 20 to 30 mile an hour wind gusts, but some isolated 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts, which will help increase that fire danger. Then after that, we'll talk about the cool wet weather moving in. Winter storm watches go into effect for some of our southern Colorado mountains as we head Friday evening and into early Saturday morning. We could see some gusty winds, but also some accumulating snow there. And as you'll notice on Futurecast, that activity doesn't pick up until Friday night. Thursday remains quiet, Friday remains quiet, and then Friday late day, we start to see that rain-snow mix develop into the high country. By Saturday morning, we're going to pull some of that moisture down into the lower elevations. We'll talk about a little bit of rain, could see a rain-snow mix for some early in the day on Saturday, off and on showers through the day on Saturday before that tapers off overnight into Sunday. As far as temperatures go, we'll swing from the 70s Thursday and Friday to the 50s by Saturday and Sunday. So definitely on the cooler side. But looking ahead to that Rockies home opener, 75 degrees, sunshine, while windy, it will definitely be warm. In fact, it could be the warmest home opener for the Rockies in history with 75 degrees. The previous home opener warmest day was 74. So a pretty good chance that we will, if not tie, break that record there at Coors Field on Friday. Then again, heading into the weekend, things really cool down for us. By Monday, we keep our eye on that solar eclipse forecast. That's a big day for a lot of folks. And here in the Denver area, we are looking at 60%, so a partial eclipse of that does begin, I should say, at 11:28 in the morning. Peak eclipse time is going to come at 12:40, and that eclipse ends at 1:54. So we're keeping our eye on how that all shapes up as far as the forecast goes. Looking like we'll pull in a few clouds right now, so hoping that we get some clearing conditions by Monday afternoon. Just kind of a roller coaster for the next several days, but I'm enjoying the sunshine in the 70s while it's here because next week looks to be just a little bit cooler.